we are discussing about chemistry, lecture 4, FSC second year. That is chapter 1, position of hydrogen. But today I am telling you about an interesting story. That is the story about position of hydrogen. Story of hydrogen atom. What is story of hydrogen atom? It's very sad story of hydrogen atom because it want to find place in periodic table, but no group is agreed to place it. Why? We have to find answer this question. Actually, it has some resemblance with the first, fourth and seventh group. But due to some reasons, due to some differences, they also not giving it place in their group. Such as, now we will discuss what type of similarities of hydrogen atom with first group. Both hydrogen atom and element of first group has one electron in their valence shell. Both electronic configurations same ns1, same electronic configuration ns1. Both have tendency to lose electron to form cation, and both have tendency to form bond with electronegative, and both can form ionic bond. All of these categories want to convince first group that it should add hydrogen atom in it. A number of similarities that enough to convince hydrogen atom should be placed in first group. But what first group says, in first group these are non-metals, but in first group you can see first group are metals, alkali metals are metals, but hydrogen atom is non-metal. Hydrogen atom has tendency to gain electron to form hydride, but first group metals cannot gain electron to form anion. Hydrogen atom is present in diatomic form H2, but sodium metal, alkali metals are not in diatomic form. Hydrogen is in gas state, but alkali metal are in solid state. Hydrogen can make both ionic as well as covalent bond, but first group alkali metals, strong metals, and always make ionic bond. Then very sad it is, first group says that there is no place for hydrogen atom in my group. Then what's happened? Hydrogen atom goes to seventh group. When first group says that I have no place for hydrogen atom, then it will goes to seventh group and says both having one electron need one electron to complete valence shell. Hydrogen atom and seventh group element halogens are needing one electron to complete valence shell. Both are non-metals, both to gain electron to form anion, both are in gaseous form, all are in diatomic form, and making so strong bond with ionic bond with alkali metal, such as sodium hydride, sodium chloride, sodium bromide, etc. But there are some points, seventh group has some points by which it says hydrogen atom that I have no place for you. Why? You can see that But you can see that seventh group says that there are number of points by which it is concluded that hydrogen atom should not be placed in seventh group. Why? Hydrogen atom, it has one electron in its valence shell ns1, but seventh group having 7 electron in their valence shell, in s orbital 2 electron, in p orbital 5 electron. Hydrogen atom also have tendency to lose electron to form cation, but seventh group halogen having no tendency to lose electron. Hydrogen having strong bond with oxygen to form water, which is stable compound, but seventh group having if making bond with oxygen, they are very weak or unstable compound. Hydrogen atom is S block, seventh group is P block. Then hydrogen atom think about another group where it can be placed. And what is another group? That is, now hydrogen goes towards fourth group because it has some similarities with fourth group. What are these similarities? Both hydrogen and elements of fourth group are half filled or valence shell, both having half filled valence shell, as hydrogen has 1 electron and 1 is needed to complete valence shell, but in fourth group such as carbon having 4 electron and 4 are needed. Both can form covalent bond and both are reducing agent, can reduce others. For example, you can see that hydrogen atom will gain oxygen to form water and copper is eliminated. In this way you can see copper oxide is reduced, removal of oxygen is reduction. And same work is observed with carbon. Carbon will remove oxygen from tin oxide to form tin and carbon dioxide. As oxygen is removed, therefore carbon is removing oxygen, carbon is reducing agent. Now hydrogen is telling that I should be in fourth group, but fourth group says that no, you should find another place. You have number of differences with me, such as you can see that hydrogen in valence shell having 1 electron, but carbon has 4 electron, in 2 electron in s and 2 electron in p orbital. Hydrogen atom can lose electron to give proton, but fourth group neither loss electron neither gain electron, neither loss electron neither gain electron. Actually they form covalent bond. Hydrogen can make 1 covalent bond, but carbon can make 4 covalent bond. Hydrogen is monovalent, that means its valence is 1, but carbon is tetravalent. Carbon has tendency to link with each other to form long chain O ring, that is catenation due to tetravalency, but hydrogen can make only 2 bond, diatomic, but it can make long compound. Sorry, there is no place of hydrogen atom in periodic table. Then it requests hydrogen request to first group that give me temporary appointment in your group because I have no place in periodic table. Thanks, work hard.